Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss a very important topic, class 9 chapter 6, lines and angles. The sum of all angles. You all know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is the thing we are going to discuss in this video. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is very important theorem, theorem 6.7. Theorem 6.7 of your textbook. See, really very important from your exam point of view, even for your information also. Okay, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You all know about it. बचपन से पढ़ते हुए आते हैं. If a triangle is there, if a triangle, I'll name it as A, B, C. Suppose ABC is a triangle. You all know about it that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. The sum of all these three angles is 180 degree. है ना, बचपन से ही पता होता है. So I'll write the given statement first. What is given? The given statement is A, B, C is a triangle. This is given. बस इतना ही दिया हुआ है हम लोगों को. ABC is a triangle. It is given. To prove, what we need to prove, क्या निकालना है? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180. Angle 1, 2, 3 का सम 180 आता है. ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. बहुत ध्यान से देखना, हाँ, इम्पोर्टेंट है. हाउ टू प्रूव, हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट? वी विल डू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन. थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. वी विल डू अ लिटिल कंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, द कंस्ट्रक्शन विल बी लाइक दैट. जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन passing through point A parallel to BC. देखो हमने क्या किया, एक DE, you can check DE, a line we have drawn parallel to this BC and passing through point A. So what you have to do in construction, draw a line DE passing through, कहाँ से पास हो रही है वो? पासिंग थ्रू A and parallel to BC. We have drawn a line DE that is parallel to BC and passing through the point A. It is passing through the point A. Okay, so what to do now? Okay, what to do now? Now you can check if DE in proof. Now we are doing proof. Check the proof. If this DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC by construction. In the construction part itself, we have DE parallel to BC. We have drawn na DE ko BC ke parallel. If DE is parallel to BC, that means this angle 2 and this angle 4 are equal. You can check angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2, angle 4 are equal. You know the region. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Alternate interior angle. Similarly, this angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. Angle 3 and angle 5. Similarly, you can write similarly angle 3 equals to angle 5. Why? Again, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. वैसे अगर सिमिलरली लिखा हुआ है ना तो ज़रूरत नहीं है रीजन लिखने की. इट इज़ ऑल्सो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर. नाउ चेक फॉर द सम ऑफ दिस 1, 4 and 5. 4, 1 and 5. Check the sum of these angles. How much they are making in combination. Angle 1, 4 and 5. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. They are forming 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Angle 1, 4 and 5. Why 180 degree? Straight angle. Straight angle. You can see in the figure. देख लो 1, 4, 5. A straight angle is there. पूरा 180 degree. Now in place of 4 we can write 2 because 2 and 4 are equal. You can check 2 and 4 are equal. So in place of 4 we can write 2. In place of 5 we can write 3. So that means angle 1 plus in place of 4 I am writing angle 2. Why? Because you can see angle 2 and 4 are equal from the above statement. Angle 3 and 5 are equal, so in place of 5 I'll write angle 3. Angle 3 equals to 180. Is it? Why? Because angle 2 equals to angle 4 and angle 3 equals to angle 5. This is what we need to prove. देख लो, sum of all these three angles of a triangle 1 2 3 is 180 and we have proved the very important theorem. We have proved this is okay. थोड़ा सा ना इस theorem को I want to extend it to means if a question is coming in your exam ना, देखो अगर क्वेश्चन आता है द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 180 डिग्री यू नीड टू प्रूव, देन यू विल डू जस्ट इतना ही करना है. बट इफ इट वॉन्ट्स यू फॉर एक्सटीरियर एंगल, इफ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग यू फॉर एक्सटीरियर एंगल द सम ऑफ टू पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स है ना, सो इज इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर. सो हाउ I'll just extend it to exterior angle also. Exterior angle theorem. Theorem 6.8 is there in your textbook. Exterior angle theorem. We will just extend it. देखो अगर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी वाली थ्योरम है ना, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 180, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी वाली थ्योरम को तुम्हें इधर तक ही करके हैंस प्रूव्ड लिख देना है. इसको यहीं तक करना है, हैंस प्रूव्ड. नो नीड टू गो फर्दर. बट इफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम कम्स, now for exterior angle theorems just try to see, this is the thing. If angle 1 2 3 is there, what we need to prove for exterior angle, that sum of any two interior angle, angle 1 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. The sum of opposite two interior angles is equal to the exterior angle in opposite to them. Okay, angle 1 angle 2 equals to angle 4. To prove this thing we need to prove angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. So how do we prove this? कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? नाउ यू ऑल यू नो इज दैट, देखो हमने ऊपर प्रूव किया हुआ है और ये हमें पता भी होता है. एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू 180. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, you all know the region is angle sum property. Then angle 3 plus angle 4 is how much? Angle 3 plus angle 4. From the figure, just check angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to how much? 180 you will say. Second equation, why? Linear pair. So from first and second, what you are getting? From first and second, you are getting angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to what? Angle 3 plus angle 4. This is the thing you are getting. So angle 3 will cancel out angle 3. What you are remaining with? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. This we need to prove. यही prove करना था. That's it. Okay, we can write here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. This we need to prove. यही तो prove करना था. We have done. So, but remember this thing. Just for angle sum property, this was the thing. But if question is asking about exterior angle theorem also, then you need to do this thing. तब ये वाला करना है. This video I have done, मतलब ये separate video बनाने का मेरा मकसद ही ये था. For this angle sum, the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So please try to watch the video. Try to prove it yourself. खुद से करके देखना है. Okay.